You want me to take them off? Come here, I'll take them off. He's going, Jim, will you take them off? He says, oh, I'm getting progress on this one. It's starting to come off. Oh my gosh, it was so funny. He was doing a handstand. He was walking on his front.
On his front feet. Somebody here? You wouldn't be able to catch a cat like that, Mary. Cat's probably laughing at you.
Kitty out there?
You getting better at it?
Yeah, we're actually working okay now. It was so funny. I wish I would have had it on video when he did the handstand.
I don't think you can jump in them boots, can you? Can you? Come here. Come here. Can you climb in them boots? Come on.
Charlie's gonna pull off the boot. There went one.